So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up automatic daily Ethereum buys here on Kraken. So once Kraken is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom bar, select on Explorer. At the search bar at the top, simply go ahead and type in Ethereum. Once Ethereum is typed in, go ahead and select it at the top. Once you're here on Ethereum, go to the bottom and select buy. Once you're on this page right here, you can type the amount of Ethereum that you're looking to buy. So for example, if you wanted to do $1, for example, you can do what you got to do. Where it says one time right here, I want you to go ahead. So actually, I'll go ahead and do $20. At the bottom where it says one time in the middle, select on that. Then select on daily. Once daily is selected, you can go ahead and press on confirm and then select on the purple arrow to proceed. On this page right here, you can go ahead and see the amount of Ethereum that you're going to buy, the fees, the totals, what the frequency is going to be. So in this case, daily. If you want to do daily buys, you have to make sure that that says daily. Your payment method, so in my case, Apple Pay, you can go ahead and understand. Then at the bottom, press on confirm to confirm the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to set up automatic daily Ethereum buys on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.